In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download courses on Whop. First, head over to the Whop homepage and make sure you're logged into your account. Starting from the home screen makes the process much easier because this is where you can access the platform's main navigation and quickly find the content you're looking for. If you're not signed in yet, go ahead and do that before continuing so everything loads properly. Once you're on the home page, click on Discover. This section is where Whop showcases available communities, products, and course-based content. Think of it as the main browsing area where you can search through different offerings on the platform. If you already know the course you want, this step helps you narrow things down and get to the correct listing faster. After that, look for the course you want to download and click on it. Take a moment here to make sure you're opening the right course, especially if there are several with similar names. When you open the course page, you'll typically be able to view its details, what's included, and whether the content is available directly on the platform. This is important because not all course content is handled the same way, and some creators organize their materials differently. At this point, it's important to understand that you may need a third-party tool or service to download the course. In other words, Whop itself may not always provide a built-in download button for every course or piece of content. Whether downloading is possible can depend on how the course creator has delivered the material and what permissions are available. So before trying to save anything, make sure you're allowed to download the content and that you're following the creator's terms of use. If the course relies on an external platform, that third-party platform is often where the actual download options will appear. So once you've found the course inside Whop, check whether it links out to another service for hosting videos, files, or lessons. If it does, follow that destination and look for the download feature there. A quick tip before you finish: always make sure you're using legitimate access and approved tools. That helps you avoid issues with missing files, low quality downloads, or restrictions set by the course provider. And that's it. You start on the Whop homepage, go to Discover, open the course you want, and then use the relevant third-party platform if downloading is supported there. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.